What is good, YouTube? This is day 20 out of day 30. We got 10 more days, and then the course comes out. So excited for that. Let's get into it. So, I was looking at Spy earlier, my bad. Apple today was pretty bad, I ain't gonna lie. Not because the Apple's down or up or anything like that, but it was just bad because, there wasn't really like a lot of volume today. So, but we're gonna get into it today. We're going to break everything down, as you already know. So today's volume was let me see. Today's volume was 68 million. 68 million. Yeah, it's nothing. That's like below average. Like it's crazy. There wasn't really a lot of volume today. It's Thursday. A lot of people wasn't in the market today, I assume. Um, but yeah, volume was really low today. RSI is coming down. It's right now 41.17, which is a neutral sign at the moment. This is what I really caught though. So if we zoom in a little bit, we can see that the candle itself, the day ended where it's between the 10 and the 5 and the 10 EMA, which I would say it's consolidating low key. Um, I could see it like consolidating for a couple of days, and then either a bounce or a reject. Tomorrow I'm not really anticipating that much volume just because there wasn't much volume today. I did say that there was gonna be a gap fill today. Obviously I was wrong because of the volume. If there was more volume, definitely the gap could have been filled. So like I'll break it down for you guys. If we look at the 15-minute mark, let me add my drawings real quick. Hold up. So right here, look. If we add this is the gap that has to fill. It went up to 147. It was close around that range. It just needed like a $2 move, and it would have filled that gap. But it didn't fill the gap. Rather, it just consolidated. Let me get rid of this so you guys can see. So yeah, this is what happened today. So basically, today it was just chilling. Um, Between these two ranges. It wasn't going up, it wasn't going down. It was just what we call range. Let's look at the EMAs. Let's break it down. The trend line is still intact. It hasn't really like fallen below. I'm still waiting for this gap to be filled, but let's examine it. Let's see what is up. So okay, I discussed the 5 and the 10. It's right below it. It is still below all these EMAs, which is still bullish longer term. Um, yeah, it's still bullish long term. We have a cross between the what is this? The 250, which is longer term. I want to look in the closer picture. I want to look at the hourly, see what is up on the hourly. Not a lot happened today, so it's like it's hard for me to break it down unless a crossing occurred today. But let me see. Okay, so we could see a 5 and a 10 crossing. It hasn't crossed yet, but like it's hard to see because the candle's red. But like right here, the 5 and the 10 they haven't crossed, but it looks like they're about to like toward, and that leads towards bearish momentum. I feel like gap already, yeah. So yeah, there's still a gap that has to be filled. Right now this candle is resting on the 20 EMA. It's below the 50 EMA and below the rest of the EMAs, which is considered bearish right now. RSI looks like it's coming down from 49. I did say that there's still more room for RSI to come up. I said around like the 48 area, the 53 area, around there. Um, but right now we're looking at little to no volume today, so it's not really much I can go over today. I'm sorry, guys. But right now we can anticipate bear. I'm leaning more towards bearish to neutral. I want to wait till it breaks out of this range between the 5 and 10. I want to see it. Let me get my drawings back in. So this is what I want to see. I want to see the candles here. I want to see it at least touch this area, and then see what happens from there. This is what I'm anticipating. Or let me draw it again. The candles here, we can anticipate probably it touches this, comes back down, and then just consolidates. I'm anticipating this move though, one of these two moves to occur. I'm not really anticipating anything towards tomorrow because what happens is on Fridays, there's like a tendency where there's not really much volume because it's Friday, and you know everybody be having fun on Friday, so you know it's not really you know. But let me see VIX and SPY. Let me examine these two. What 10 more days away? That is crazy. I'm just like thinking about it right now as we speak. Alright, so yeah, VIX was up 7%, which is very bearish for tomorrow. SPY itself down $4. I did do a play for SPY, but I had I got on my stop loss because what's it called? It was just raining today. Like I anticipated what did I get in? I got in like what did I get in? Let me back it up a bit. Oh, I got in like around this area, and then I waited. I wanted this to break the 200 EMA to come down a little lower, and then come down and went up to like around here. I cut my stop loss, and eventually it broke down, but it wasn't even like a big breakdown. It was just raining today. Like you see, it's just sideways. I don't really like that. You know, I like to catch the move. Like you see right here, I would have caught this nice move. But yeah, there's not really much to go over today, guys. This is nothing too crazy. Right now, daily, we wanted to break out 5 and 10 EMA. We want it to fill the gap and see what happens when it fills the gap. But yeah, nothing too crazy. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please hit me up. Yeah, there's not. Let me see something. I want to zoom in on the 4 hours. See if we see any patterns. See, same thing with the 4 hour. The 4 hour is just consolidating, but I could definitely anticipate probably this gap to be filled by tomorrow for sure. But we have to wait till tomorrow. See what's up for tomorrow, and then we can go over like the whole week recap. See how everything goes. Hope you guys have a good one. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about stock related anything, just let me know. My DMs are always free. Have a good one, guys.